Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be making exfoliating body scrub, sugar scrub, but I'm gonna be adding like coffee. You can say coffee scrubs, you know, body coffee scrub or sugar. Anyone, I don't know what I will title this video yet, but that's what we are going to be doing today. I want to exfoliate my body, my face, all over, so I decided to do this, and so that's what we're going to do today. So yeah, my skin has been acting up a little bit, like right here. So, and I want to unclog my pores. So let's go ahead and do this video. So all of this stuff that I have is stuff that I've been hauling, but I will tell you where I got them from, and you can just do whatever you have at home. I don't have to go anywhere to get them. This is stuff that I've been hauling when I go to the stores. So let me show you exactly. Okay, all right, you guys, so these are the items that I have home. Like I said, I didn't have to go anywhere. This is coffee right here. You can use any coffee that you have, but I am using the Nescafe coffee instant one right here. I'm using the brown sugar by Zuka right here. I'm using honey. I'm using empty reusable container, turmeric, pink salt. Okay, well, I already showed you honey already. This is another honey. And then the last thing is coconut oil. I'm gonna try to use this up and stuff, but let me get some lemon juice. So you guys, we are going to use lemon juice. We don't have the fresh one, but it does say 100% juice from concentrated, so we're going to use this. We don't have fresh ones here, so we're going to use, but this ingredients, guys, I don't have any measurements. I'm just going by how I feel like it, but you can do whatever you want to. Okay guys, so here I'm going to use my brown sugar first. Okay, and then I'm gonna use the pink salt. Look how that pink salt looks like. Oh, it looks so good. I'm gonna put coffee. Like I said, no measurements. I'm just eyeballing as I go on. Okay. Turmeric. I'm gonna use honey. And then we're gonna use a little bit of lemon juice. Just like that. And then we're gonna use coconut oil. Okay. So when it comes to the consistency, you're gonna use, or you're gonna do it according to how you want it. If you like it like a paste, you leave it that way. If you like it running, you leave it that way. So yeah, so basically that's what we're doing. If you like it this way, you leave it this way. Okay, so I like it a little bit runny. Okay. think this is a good consistency. That's why I say no measurements, guys. No measurement. So you guys, this is it, and this is my bowl. Look how this look here. This is my exfoliating cream right here, or scrub, whichever one. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna transfer it into my bowl. Okay guys, so this is my scrub right here. So what I'm going to do is just to show you guys basically how I'm going to do it, and let it sit for about 10 minutes or so on my skin while I go into the shower and shower all over. And then I'm going to be using it too on my face as well, like so. So I'm gonna use it all over, like so, on my face. I have my exfoliating glove in my bathroom for my face, so I'm going to be using that as well.